Hi besties, welcome back to another vlog. Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Today's vlog is going to be a very fun vlog. One of my best vlogs yet, just because I talk to you guys way more than I usually do. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I really had a fun time doing all these activities with my besties. Let's get into this vlog. I'm about to go get my hair done. Grabbing my purse. Hi guys, it's currently Sunday and I'm about to get ready. Tomorrow is Labor Day. I'm about to get ready right now because I'm gonna go out with some friends for their birthday. Currently right now, I am putting a band-aid on. I got a really bad infection from the nail salon. That's why one of my nails is yellow. Earlier you guys seen me get my hair done and it's currently 8:12. I need to hurry up so I can get some content in and be ready. I just finished getting ready. It's currently 9:45. Let me show you guys my outfit. I'm about to go. I just finished getting ready. Yeah, and I'll let you guys know when I'm at my friend's house.
Yummy.
Guys, say hi. I don't know where your outfit's from.
Fashion Over.
Okay.
And
Are so fire.
This is Coach. The bag is Coach.
For skeleton, Halloween.
Not the regular ones.
Vintage jeans.
Oh yeah.
And then I got the little
The white tee.
white tee. It's
Okay,
just regular white
period.
tee.
We're here. Yes, sir. Wait, you didn't say. It's the next day, and we're gonna go to the beach and catch the sunset. On my bathing suit. Filmed some TikToks. Now we're gonna go walk around.
Oh, you ain't top off. Oh, you ain't Flintstones. Oh, you took a little roller off.
Hi guys, we just got back from the beach and out to eat. I'm just gonna chill for a bit. I'm gonna go shower, take this makeup off, clean up a little bit. Hi guys, welcome back. It's another day. It's currently Thursday. It's 2:40. You know I'm listening to that Gunna. I'm trying to do my hair. My hair is looking like a failed right now. Like I'm trying to do like the cute little updo bun. Now we're gonna pick our outfit. I'm going out with my best friend Ayana and I'm super excited to see her. I have not seen her in months, you guys, like probably like a month now, or we don't know what we're gonna do yet, but we'll figure it out and we'll let you guys know. She's on the way, so we have to hurry up. I'm gonna mix it with this. Putting some body oil on. I'm gonna use my Patrick top. Putting my jewelry on. This is my outfit. I have my purse. My dress is from Aritzia. I have my Irma sandals. Okay. Give us an outfit of the day.
Hey guys, so I got this rose dress. I got this from TikTok shop a long
For
time
real?
ago. Yes, like 2
That's
years
so
ago.
cute.
I got these shoes from Shein, and I got this purse from Shein too. And I got this from,
Rich bitch still rocking shit.
So she's trying to show me this.
I want Ayana to listen to this.
And Nicole is a YN, and she likes sex and violence. So.
Oh my gosh, you guys, I have to come back and get these. We're at Sephora. Yes. It's here. Oh my gosh, look how much people there is. Most of the things were sold out. They have this. All this stuff is sold out.
Did you use this one? It's fine if you did it.
I didn't choose.
To layer it. So we're always sold out of that.
Oh.
Y'all, look at this.
Yes. Coming to Bar Taco. So cute. So you need to get this camera so you can vlog.
I never thought of that though. I love it.
We're at Bar Taco. And we got the goods.
I can't take a drink just 'cause
Fat ass can't wait. What tacos did you get?
The sesame ribeye, and then I got the Baja fish.
So me and Rain are currently getting ready. Favorite is hairspray. I'm gonna mix this with my vanilla ice. Ooh, where's your outfit from?
Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse dress? Wow, let me see your sandals. Oh my goodness, Mama, you look so beautiful.
Maybe I can send this too.
Yeah, Mommy got sandals too. Outfit, very chill. My shirt is from TikTok shop. My jeans are Levi's. And then I have my sandals. I'm gonna go get some food with Rain. And I don't know what else we're doing. My friend Emerald is also coming. So, yeah. Let's go. Hey, we're here. Say hi. Guys, this is my friend Emerald. Rainy. So pretty in here. Not we got the same full order.
Stuck with
Telling me she love me, but I got trust issues.
Ladies, drama, leave it home. If he ain't got it.
Hi guys. I am about to go to my mom's house. She is having a cookout. This is my outfit. Sia, Lulu, Dior. Look at my new baby, you guys. This is like so iconic. I'm literally obsessed. Let's go. I just got in my car and it's literally so freaking hot. I did get 7 Brew because I need this every day. We're at Walmart because why Walmart actually got some cute stuff in here. It's hella cute. I want a little couch like that for my room. It's this. Yes, right here, guys. Only $30, so we can't expect too much from it, but we're gonna see how it works. Rainy loves cameras, you guys. Which one should I get her? I'm gonna see how this camera works. It's only $30, so this is cute. This right here is kind of cute. Let me get it. Isn't it? For my perfumes and stuff. This is kind of cute. I'm in like the decor aisle. This is cute. For a picture of me and Rain. I need to find new rugs for the bathroom. Let's see if I find some. Guys, I'm getting all this stuff for my bathroom. I leave my boyfriend for 1 second and he comes back with all this stuff for Rain that she does not need. Look at how cute this is. I'm wondering where I get some of Rain's clothes from. I do come to Marshall's or TJ Maxx because they be having some cute pieces for her.
One more?
One for Maxie and one for Millie. We have a present for you. What is it?
It's a picture.
Yeah. Porque le gustan las cámaras. Digan hola a mi vlog.
What's up, y'all? Hey, today's a very special day for the Mexicans, all Team Canelo.
Let me
We
see, let me see.
representing
Oh shit. What?
Team Canelo, baby.
Costillas,
Costillas.
chorizo brasileño y no me enter-
Good afternoon. I sound so sick. It's 1:56. I just got out the shower. I woke up pretty late today. I don't know what we're gonna do today. We're gonna figure something out. So let's get ready. I just did my slick back ponytail that I have been wearing every single day this week. If you guys are ever wondering what I use for my slick backs, this is the gel that I use. I only use a little bit of this. I do not put a lot. You use a lot, your hair is gonna be super hard and then you're gonna get white flakes. Let me show you guys the hairspray that I use after. This is my favorite hairspray. My mom uses it too. I've seen it in her bathroom. It's just that good. I only use a little bit of this because a little goes a long way. I usually do my slick backs when my hair is kind of like oily. So when I haven't washed my hair for a few days, if it's not oily, I just usually put oil right here. Let's put something on these lips. This is one of my favorite songs, you guys. If you like reggae, Afro beats, you can be my best friend. Didn't end up doing my makeup. I didn't feel like it. Skin looks good right now, so let's put on our outfit. I need you guys' help. Wearing this outfit. It's like a very chill Charleston girl outfit. Don't know what shoes to wear. Sandals or sneakers, you guys. My boyfriend told me to wear these. My everyday sandals. These are like my favorite sandals, you guys. These are so comfortable. Got our outfit on. This is one of my favorite lotions right now. You go smell it, and there's no bad ingredients in here, you know. Let's pack my purse. I'm gonna put these on. You can find these on my Amazon storefront. My glasses are from my Amazon storefront if you guys want to go get them. This is from Fashion Nova. I literally love it and it's such good quality. My top is from Aritzia. My shorts are from Pull & Bear. And then I have on my favorite sandals. That's my outfit. We're about to head out and I will talk to you guys in the car. King. The new Bape and Adidas drop. These are the white ones. Aren't these so cute?
Charleston.
I love the color scheme.
Appreciate you guys. Yep.
I just seen these. This is the store we went to, you guys. Let me see.
They got like a special box.
What? cute. This polka dot bathing suit is. Out of everything. They sold out of the one I wanted, but I'm gonna get that one. Guys. Sorrel?
To Sorrel, yeah, it'd be $20. Penny. Remember? You're a Pokemon guy.
Who are you? Oh, what?
I was at the card show the other day with my boyfriend, yeah. And he was the one who was like, "You're a Facebook legend." And you were like,
God.
Early next time because they are sold out of the latte I wanted today. Not sold out, but they stopped serving it at 4. They have a special every week. Hokkaido ramen house. Dumplings.
You don't have to do some shit.
Spicy ramen. Bak choy. Pork. Egg. Pork buns.
Yeah. This shit just booked my.
We're leaving. I'm so full. Home, and I know I look crazy, so don't mind that. Let me show you guys what we got from Marshall's yesterday. Picture frame.
Mama.
For rain. Super cute. Super fallish. This for a bathroom, a new one. Quick for rainy. Look how cute this is. Halloween outfit, which she's gonna be so excited to wear on Halloween. This outfit, all these are pajamas, by the way. It comes with the shorts and the pants. Little leggings. These actually feel like thick. New bathroom rug. This one's so pretty. This gray shower curtain. I got this for my perfumes. That was my haul. I have this little black stand right here, and of course the black didn't go with my whole room, but put some of my perfumes right here in this gold one. Let's put all of these things in here and see how it looks. Daughter to bed. It's 10:51. I'm gonna go wash her bottles right now, then chill for the rest of the night. Probably not gonna go to sleep till late. I had so much fun with you guys today. I think I did such a good job at vlogging today. Like, I have been talking more, I've been pulling out my camera more. I think I did a good job. I'm so proud of myself. I also have been recording off my phone, which is a lot harder, recording from my camera and my phone both, because you have to record from both at all times, everything you do. So it makes it harder, but I don't care. I want to show you guys everything I do. I want to bring you guys along with me. So yeah, I love you guys, and I will talk to you guys in the morning. Bye. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you guys want more vlogs, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Love you. Mwah.